Ready for 30 emoji puzzles? You only get 6 seconds. Let's begin. What food is hiding here? Crunchy and golden breadsticks. Can you crack this one? Tiny but tasty chickpeas. What do these clues make? Creamy and classic mayonnaise. Ready for a tasty one. A slice of fall pumpkin pie. Bonus time? Which one doesn't belong? Two are fruits. Sweet potato pie. Can you guess this delicious one? Crispy on the outside. Corn dog. What word is hiding here? Little chocolate bites. Chocolate chip? What food are we looking for? Chocolate and peanut butter. Peanut butter cups. What do these clues make? Crunchy, cheesy goodness. Cheetos. Can you crack this one? Small but snackable. Sunflower seeds. Ready for something sweet. Straight from the stars! Milky Way! Bonus time. Which one would you rather have? Tough choice. Like for chocolate chip cookies. Subscribe for peanut butter cups. Can you guess this delicious one? Golden and delicious French toast. What food is hiding here? Light crunchy snack, fox nuts. What do these clues make? A fruity explosion, fruit punch. Can you crack this one? Fizz and refreshment, Pepsi. Ready for a tasty one. Fresh from the oven, cookie. Ready for a word challenge. Use the first letters. Sweet ending, dessert. What word is hiding here? Naturally sweet, sweet potato. What food are we looking for? Fresh and soothing, lemongrass tea. Ready for something sweet. Molten chocolate magic, lava cake. Can you crack this one? Green and crunchy, ladyfinger. What do these clues make? Crunchy bean bites, Bienitos. Think your eyes are sharp. Find the odd one. There it is! Chocolate! Can you guess this delicious one? A bite-sized favorite, rice ball! What food is hiding here? Crisp and crunchy radish! What do these clues make? Golden and sweet, butterscotch. One last bonus challenge. Which dish would you pick? Make your choice! Molten chocolate, lava cake. Fluffy and golden, pancakes. Cheesy and delicious, pizza. Can you crack this one? Creamy and fresh, cottage cheese. Can you solve our final one? A sweet southern classic, moon pie. Wait, one last puzzle. You completed all 30 challenges. You are officially an emoji king. Thanks for playing, and see you in the next quiz adventure.